Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to use Galaxy AI features on the Samsung Galaxy A36. Now to find the Galaxy AI features, just open settings, then go to advanced features. From here, just go to intelligent features. And from here, you will find all the Galaxy AI features on your smartphone. Now, first of all, we have our AI editing features, which are the object eraser and edit suggestions. Now, to use these features, just go to your home screen and open the Gallery app. Then select an image which you want to edit. Now, to use the edit suggestions, just tap on the Galaxy AI icon over here. Now, once you do that, it will suggest you a few edits. For an example, for this image, the Galaxy AI is suggesting us to erase reflections, remaster this image, and to erase objects. And from here, you can select any of these suggestions. For an example, if you select remaster, it will remaster this image. As you can see, this is a before and after of this image. As you can see, it has sharpened the image and it has edited the colors of the image. Now for our second AI feature, just tap on the edit icon, then tap on the four dots over here. And from here, you will find the option of object eraser. Now, to use object eraser, just circle over the object which you want to erase. Now, once it detects the object, just select erase. And it will erase the object from your image. Just like that. Now, once you're satisfied with your edit, just tap on done and select save. Now for our second AI feature, we have custom filters. Now to use custom filters, just go to your home screen and open the camera app on your smartphone. Then tap on the four dots over here, and from here you will find the option of custom filters. And from here you can apply filters to your image, and you can also create a custom filter using the Galaxy AI. To do that, just tap on the plus icon. Now from your gallery app, just select an image which you like the color science of. For example, if I select this image, it will use the color science of this image to create a custom filter. Now just tap on filter 1 and give a name to your custom filter. Then tap on rename. Now just select turn on. Now just tap on done. And from here, you will create a custom filter for your images. Now after custom filters, we have the option of AI select. Now to use this feature, first of all, just open the settings app, then go to display. From here, just go to edge panel and make sure you enable edge panel. Now once you enable edge panel, you will find a small bar at the side of your screen. Just swipe from the side of the screen and open the edge panel. And from here, you will find the option of AI select. Now, once you tap on AI select, you can circle over any object on the screen and you can select that object. Just like that. And from here, you can share the selected area. You can download it and save it as a screenshot in your gallery app. You can copy the selected part. You can pin it to your screen and you can crop it. And also you have the option to set it as your wallpaper. And if you tap on the three dots, you can create a GIF of the selected area. Now after AI select, you have the option of read aloud. Now to use this feature, just go to your home screen and open the Samsung Internet app on your smartphone. And from here, you will find the option of Galaxy AI. Just tap on it. And from here, you will find the option of read aloud. Now once you select read aloud, the Galaxy AI will start reading all the text on your screen.
AI offers numerous benefits across various sectors. AI enhances efficiency through automation, reduces human error, and enables faster, more accurate data analysis, leading to better decision-making.
And this is how you can use the Galaxy AI features on the Samsung Galaxy A36. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.